This is the cable that we pulled. The very dangerous part for the cable pulling and glanting.
Is that the video?
Yeah. Okay. So I'm here right now with my sergeant again. Okay. We are visiting our cables for the awning and for our main cable coming from substation. So this is the cable that we have.
Designing everything.
So we already finished the clamp. How many clamp we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clamp. And you see the position from the side. And it will go this one coming here inside the building. So I'm come back again, so explain to you how this one cable pulling, cable clamp, and also the hardest part for the cable pulling on this side. This is our final, the very hard part of our cable pulling. But my commando finished it only just for 2 days. So thank you very much. See you again on YouTube. Mwah.